Welcome to a home vlog. Today we are celebrating the first day of
football
Dolphins. Yeah, baby. I'm already prepped because we're gonna make some brunch. It's kind of our thing we do. We always do brunch on the first day of the Dolphins playing, and we're just gonna hang out at home and watch the Dolphins. Hopefully,
we're playing the Patriots.
Yeah. Hopefully it's a.
Hopefully whoop that butt.
Yeah. So let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Heck yeah. We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV. K&E RVTV. Sing it with us.
RVTV.
So what are you making today?
So I call it my like breakfast bake. It's something we make for like holidays and stuff like that. It's basically eggs with some kind of sausage and cheese, and you mix it all together and bake it, and I love to eat it with like bagel. I'm gonna make some hash browns, some little hash brown patties, and of course, you know, I already have a beverage. Mimosas for me. Kim had coffee, so whatever. You know, it's my cooking juice. Call it. And we're just gonna hang out home today, especially the dogs love it when we're here too. And you know, I feel like football season always starts kind of like the holiday season or the fall season. Even being in Florida, I always said that. So cheers to the fall, cheers to the holidays, cheers to good vibes, and the Dolphins winning today. Cheers.
Yay! We're going to the Super Bowl.
Woo! Maybe this could be the year.
Yeah, we say that every year.
Exactly.
And then we're always like, better luck next year.
Poor Kim, she has been a diehard football fan her whole life, so she's used to disappointment.
37 years of disappointment.
Yeah. But maybe this could be the year.
This could be the year.
Things are happening.
Send us positive vibes, guys.
Yes, do it, please. If you're not a Dolphins fan, keep it to yourself. All right, so I'm getting our brunch started. I'm browning up some ground chorizo. I'm gonna make like an egg bake with some cheese. We're gonna have some hash browns, and of course, I already started off with a dry mimosa in my, you can't see it, sorry, in my medieval times mug, and we're watching the first season game of the Dolphins. We're excited. Great Sunday. Yeah. All right, so I just beat up 6 eggs, and I'm gonna add some heavy cream, probably like half a cup of heavy cream, and then about half a teaspoon of some ground, I'm sorry, I can't see it with the reflection, but some ground mustard, and then just some salt and pepper, and then I'll show you the next step. All right, so I added about a half a cup of heavy cream and about a half a teaspoon of the dry mustard into my egg mixture, and now we're gonna add my browned up chorizo that I already cooked. I let it cool a little bit so it's not gonna change the temperature of the eggs before we put them in the air fryer to bake. I'm excited. I've made this egg casserole before, but never with chorizo. It's normally maple sausage, but I couldn't find any at the grocery store, and they had chorizo, and I was like, oh my god, I love those chorizo breakfast tacos from Ruby Sunshine, if you saw that video. So I was like, hey, we're gonna do chorizo today. All right, so
you also have never made it in an air fryer before either, right?
Yeah, this will be the first time making this egg casserole. It's something I always make for like holidays, Christmas, football. It's our traditional first day of football brunch that we normally do. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some shredded cheese. You can use cheddar, whatever you like. I got a little mixture of cheddar and Monterey. So probably do about a half a cup of that. And we're gonna stir that all together, and then I have a greased cake pan, which is what fits in my air fryer. Normally this recipe calls for 12 eggs, but we don't have it to fit that kind of size, so I'm just doing half a portion because it's just.
That's for like a 9 by 13, right?
Yeah,
exactly. This is like
so
9 by.
I think it's an 8 by 8. 8 by 8. So I already just sprayed a little non-cooking spray on there, and we're gonna stir this, give this a good little.
We gotta work with what we can in the RV.
Exactly.
Because
this is all learning curves for me, but hey, you know, it's usually edible what I make, right, Kim? No complaints.
If you could tell.
So I have the air fryer, yeah, it's preheating. I'm gonna do like 325 in my air fryer just because it does cook faster than an oven. And I'm gonna cover this with foil so my top doesn't burn right away. Because it does take a little while to cook, probably at least maybe. Again, when the air fryer is a little different than the oven, that's normally what I make it in. So I'm just gonna kind of check it every so often, but we're gonna cover this so the top doesn't burn. So I'll probably do like 15 minutes, take the top off, kind of see what it looks like, and then we'll go from there.
I'm excited.
I am too. I'm ready for this. We haven't had this in a while. So
yeah.
I'm stoked. So what just happened, Kim? Dolphins won, beat the Patriots. Right? That's like icing on the cake. Not only did they just win their first game, they beat the Patriots. Woo! Go Dolphins! So happy. So I just pulled this bad boy out.
Ooh,
Yum yum! It smells amazing. Again, this is the first time I've ever made this with chorizo, so I'm very excited. So now that it's pretty much almost done, we're gonna take the foil off, and then I'm just gonna add another layer of cheese because, yeah, cheese is life, especially in this house. Thank God we both love cheese because I don't know if this relationship would have worked.
I need some for the babies.
Oh, for the yeah, they're good boys.
Oh, Jesus.
Jesus.
Jesus. Holy Jesus. Because the Dolphins won?
Yeah.
You get some cheese.
That's
you
awesome.
won't eat it out of my hand? Who are you?
I'm excited. That's an awesome way to start off the season. Hopefully that's a good omen. Zachary's happy over here.
Can you get the rest of this?
You can do it, Code. Make a mess. It's okay. We gotta do laundry anyway.
Oh God. Now I need to wash my hands.
Yeah. Okay, so I just did a nice little layer on top, and then we're gonna put it back in and just melt that. And then I'm gonna make my hash browns, and we got some bagels with cream cheese because that's just what we do. So stay tuned. Brunch is ready. Here is our egg casserole, which looks phenomenal. Phenomenal. And then I toasted up just some frozen hash browns in the air fryer. We have some fresh strawberries, bagels, cream cheese, and strawberry preserves. I am pretty excited.
I'm excited because the Dolphins won.
That too. Like, normally I would have had brunch during the Dolphins, but we had a little technical difficulties getting the game on. So
Yeah, because we live out of state.
Yes, so that was kind of a production, but we had some amazing friends help us out. We owe you. So yeah. But now we're gonna have brunch. Got my first bite. I'm pretty excited. Oh my god.
What do you think?
I think that's probably better than the maple sausage.
You think so? I took a bite already. I was trying to decipher if I like the sausage or the chorizo better.
I prefer that flavor, and that texture is amazing. And of course we got, so I wanted a sweet and savory, so I made one half of my bagel with cream cheese and strawberry preserves. The other half with cream cheese, and then everything with the bagel seasoning.
And the strawberries. Pretty good too. Delicious, Erin. Thank you.
I'm so happy how it came out. So good.
I'm still so happy the Dolphins won.
Yeah, that too. Makes it taste better for sure.
Right.
For you anyway. But yeah. Cheers, everybody.
So good.
And I like to like layer the things I eat in my meal. Unless I mix them all together, which is normally what I do with most things I eat. But like this, I told Kim, like, she's not eating it right. That's what you gotta do. You gotta take a bite of the casserole. Then a bite of the hash brown if you have it or not. Sometimes I don't make them, so it's not always necessary.
While you're still eating.
Strawberry. Then bagel.
All in your mouth at the same time. That's the combination that you need. The sweet and salty and all that together.
It's like a deconstructed sandwich in your mouth.
It's delicious. Okay, we're outside. We're gonna walk the babies. And in our last home vlog, I showed you these flowers that I picked, like off the side of the road. And you all told me about, I think the white ones, and like these ones open up to the white ones. Apparently they have chiggers in them. I'm like, what is a chigger? I don't even know. We had to look it up. And yeah, they're tiny little like bugs that you can't even see.
So thank God I didn't let her bring those into the RV.
Yeah, thanks
Because
for.
I have allergies, so I was like, nope.
No, and they like crawl underneath your skin and whatnot. Like, no thank you. So yeah, that's not happening anymore. I mean, but are all the other ones okay? I don't know which ones I'm allowed to pick and which ones I'm not.
You can pick them all, they just have to stay outside.
Yeah, but I don't want to pick them and they get on me and go into my skin.
Very true.
Yeah,
So
no
let's
thanks.
Maybe stay out of the natural foliage.
Okay, but it was fun picking them.
Well, at least you got to do it. It was beautiful. They were really pretty though. Now you can see some of them are starting to die.
Don't touch them.
They're
nice to look at from afar.
We're going over towards the creek. We haven't been by the creek in a little bit. It's a creek that runs all the way behind our RV park.
It's so beautiful right now too. It's so clear.
Sometimes we see little creatures in it. But yeah, it's a beautiful day today here in the Smokies. Still wishing it would be a little cooler. It's like 80 degrees right now.
I know, we're waiting like every day. Like I look, as soon as I wake up, I look at the temperature to see, is it fall yet? Because I remember last year, the first day of football, it was cool.
It was,
We
yeah.
had all the windows in the RV open. We were here and we had everything open and it was nice. But I mean, it's nice, but it's not cool.
Yeah.
You know, which is what we were hoping for.
I know, I can't wait till the day comes when we can
What did
open the windows.
Cody like to do?
Cody loves to poop in bushes, and he tries to hide it.
Yeah,
he's like shy.
This is what he does.
He's very
You
shy.
don't want to show him?
No, I don't want to show him. I'm sure the people do not want to see that. But the creek is beautiful. I wish we could just put a tube in and float down.
I say we should. But we should have this summer. It was so hot. We have enjoyed our football Sunday, making brunch, watching the Dolphins win. But we have some weather creeping on in here. So I think we're probably gonna call it a night because we looked up the weather app. It doesn't look like it's gonna be great. Gonna be some thunder and lightning, loud rain, which is hard to film in the RV. But we want to thank you guys so much for oh, the wind's picking up. Oh, you can see our new fall sign. She blowing on our little football stand. Maybe our little stand was good luck because the Dolphins won today. But yeah, we're getting the dogs out to go pee-pee before this rain rolls on in. Woo! I was telling them we're getting ready to wrap it up because it's about to get wild here.
It's windy.
Yeah, the wind just picked up quickly. All right, everybody go pee-pee. Say bye to your fans. Say bye. Zachary, say bye. See you guys in the next episode. Now say bye, Cody. Say bye. See you in the next episode. Oh, wow, yeah. It's picking up. Whew. Oh, look, let's fall. The leaves are falling. Sign us off, Kim.
Bye, y'all. Did you do everything?
I didn't do anything. It's your turn.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're watching on your TV, just click up 2 times on your remote. You'll see the like button. You'll see the subscribe button. We'd also appreciate it if you would do that. And ring your notification bell if you want to get notified when we put out videos. And we have tons of videos in the Smokies.
Tons.
Coming here on vacation.
Over 200.
Yeah. Tons of everything to do, everywhere to eat, everything like that. So we have tons of playlists made that you can just click play and it'll play every video one after another.
And leave a comment below of somewhere you would like to see while we're still here. We're going to be here in at least another month. Oh my gosh, I hear it. Oh, it's coming.
We love all your recommendations.
Yes, we appreciate you guys. All your comments, we appreciate them all. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next episode.
Thank you, football gods.
Woo! Go Dolphins!